Whoa. Yellow. Jack and I are doing a hike tomorrow, and I'm preparing some hopefully tasty morsels. We're both vegan. Sometimes it's hard to find something to bring with you on a hike, and I'm mashing some chickpeas. That's a mashed chickpea. And we're gonna mix that with sauces. Maybe a little bit of this garlic aioli, sriracha mayo. Crucial. And then we'll see how it turns out. I don't know, I haven't really made this before. Kind of with mayo, vegan mayo, but I don't know, we'll see what happens. I'll let you know. Bye. Alright, we're back. I have made a massive sandwich. I'm just gonna cut it into 4. But I've made like this chickpea mash with sriracha mayo, crucial, chili, garlic aioli, smoked paprika. And now we're just gonna put another lettuce on top and hope for the best, and then we'll tell you tomorrow how it is. It might be horrible, but you'll find out, so stay tuned. Thank you, have a good day. We're hiking the Pinnacles today. It's a nice sunny day in Thames. We just stayed the night here, and I have to drive about half an hour out to get to the forest. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be a really nice day actually. We're expecting it to be like a 5 to 6 hour walk. So we've loaded up on pizza, and I think we're ready to do this thing. Good morning.
Good morning.
We found a Jack. Should we take some of these nectarines? No. This is what we're taking food-wise. Dried apple rings, not dried apples, that big massive sandwich, fruit balls, some apricots, and what was this again? Chili and lime snippets. They're made out of probably not healthy things, but they taste really yummy, so I don't know. Treat yourself, you know? Know what I'm saying? We've arrived. This is the name of the road where you park. The Pinnacles hut, which is 3 hours. But yeah, should be good. We're stopping for lunch at the hut.
It's gonna be delicious.
No pressure. Is it dry? We're losing contents.
Oh, yeah, not bad. Not dry.
Cheese. Needs more hot sauce. And now we're walking up these stairs, which are wasted. But we're almost there.
Got 10 minutes left.
10 minutes left, probably. This is kind of cool. There's a ladder.